Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Umkoka the case, spoiler alert, betrayed by the one you least expected. Diva makes a tough decision regarding his family when he chooses to stand by someone very close to his heart. The church's plans are derailed when the one person meant to pay for her sins gets another chance, and a scorned woman goes extra mile to seek vengeance for her husband's death. Is this the really end of Mamzobe? Thank you guys for watching.